it in. And you heard his small voice say, why do you linger? Why do you wait? Come to me before it's too late. Time and time again, he's been knocking at your door. Oh, you won't let him come in. And then you heard that same voice whisper, soft and low, he may not knock no more. Oh, sweetly and tenderly, Jesus is calling today. Patiently waiting. Oh, please don't delay. Out on that cross at Calvary, he suffered and died to set you free. And now you're